Welcome back, students. In this session we will learn how to use image map. Okay, in the previous session we have learned how to draw the map, right, in the PowerPoint. That we have already done. Now student, that if you have designed this image, then open that image inside the paint and go to the view and click on the rulers. Okay, take on the rulers, so then you can see horizontal rulers and the vertical rulers will be appear. Now what we are going to do, if we assign the image map on this, then entire page, entire image will be called the link. Now let's see, start the some coding inside this. Okay, very first we will use we'll create HTML tag here. So HTML here, and we will close /HTML also. Now inside the HTML we use the head tag, and inside the head tag we will keep the title tag, right? So inside that we will type here use of image map, right? Now close the title, also close the head tag. Now inside the head tag I will keep start the body tag, right? Okay, and we'll close here body tag also. Okay, now we are going to save it. We'll assign the name as map, image map.html. okay, otherwise main.html you can type, right? Okay, now inside that if you want to put image, we can directly put as image like image src is equals to our image name. So what is the image name which we have drawn? Okay, citymap.png. how to check it? Click here at the bottom, you can see type of image, okay, and the name is citymap. So here we'll type here citymap.png, right? And then after what to do, we'll close it. Okay, we don't want to type anything inside it, we just will save it and press F5. Yes, here you can see the image map is appeared here, right? But when we click on this, when we click on office, then office file will be appear. When we click on the police station, then police station's HTML file will appear. Similarly, we want to give this all this specific link. Okay, so it is called a hyperlink. In previous session we learned anchor tag. So if we use here ahref, right, and then we'll keep here that particular file address. Okay, then if you do this, it is not possible, because of if you use the anchor tag in this, then entire image will be the linked. Okay, means if you click anywhere in this, then the specific file will be appear. Like I want to open the office.html file. Okay, so what happens when we click on the office, when let's see what happens in this. See first /image and /anchor tag, right? Press Ctrl S and move here and press F5. Here see, on entire image you can see hand symbol is appear. That means you if you click anywhere in this image, then you will be redirected to the office page. But no, we want only when user click on this area, then the office file will appear, and when user click on the central mall, then this central mall file should be appear. So to do this, we cannot use this. So anchor tag will not be used in this. Okay, so to solve this, we have to use image map tag. Okay, got it? Which tag we have to use for this? We have to use the map tag. So let's start it to create a map tag here. After creating this image, okay, in the image we will here keep the map tag on. Okay, inside that we have to give the map name of this tag. So we will type here any name you can give, but I will give here road map. Name of the particular tag is road map. Now inside that we can create any shape, because you can create circle, rectangle, polygon, anything you can create. Okay, so we'll start a tag area. Inside that the shape, which kind of shape we want to draw. So first we will draw the rectangle. Okay, so rectangle. Okay, in the rectangle 4 sides and 4 corners are there. Okay, x, y, x plus and y plus. So we have to use the coordinates, codes. Okay, and inside the coordinates we have to give the 4 values. First will be the x here, then second will be y, then will be x1 here, and then here y1 here. Okay, x1 means x plus its space, so here x1 will be there and here y1 will be there. Here we have to define 4 coordinates. How to assign that we don't know. Okay, then we will alter, but because alter tag is used when image will not display by a specific reason, then office particular content will be appear, so it is called the office. And now when user click on that specific, when user click on the specific link, what to open. So when user click on the specific link, we use here href is equals to which page we want to open. So at that time we want to open the office.html page. Okay, we have to write this much only, but important part in this is these 4 coordinates. How to decide these 4 coordinates? So let's learn this. Open that here page inside the PowerPoint, sorry, not PowerPoint, but inside the Paint. Now this is the area. Okay, this is the area of the office. Now starting coordinates of this particular rectangle is from this. So let's decide this is the x is here. So how many? So 100 is here and 200 in between these. So how to count? So each one is occupied 10. Okay, so here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and it is 60. So 160, starting from 160. So we'll keep here 160. Okay, now for the y means this way. So y, it is called the y. Okay, this is for the y and this is for the x. So now y begin from the 0. So for the y it will be here 0. Now x1 means where the x will ends. It is starting from here. Okay, it is starting from here and it is ending here, but ending for where? 400. About the 400 is there, we have to copy it. Okay, so we will keep here not 400 but 410 here, but it will only will keep the 400 here. So y will be 400. Okay, now after this our y plus means y plus like this, where it will be end. So it will be end about the 100, right? So we will keep here 100. Now press Ctrl S. Okay, come back to that page. Okay, and then run it. Okay, then run that file and press F5 here. Yes, now you see hand symbol is disappeared. Now if you move in that specific location like this, okay, we have to write here image. On the image, remember this map name is roadmap. Okay, so when it should be redirected, when it should be point. So for this, on the image tag we have to give the use map tag. Use map is equal to, keep inverted comma, we have to type first hash sign and the map name. What is the map name? Map name is roadmap. So here we have to type road map. Okay, now press Ctrl S and switch to that particular page and press F5. Now you can see hand symbol is appear in that particular location, right? Now if you click on that, the image file will be appeared. Okay, now similarly we are going to do same task for this police station. Okay, so how to do? Okay, students, if you know that, the pause that video, okay, and try to do it yourself and then check it. If you don't successfully, it's okay. If you not, then check it the video, you will get the answer. Okay, now let's see. I'm going to do same task here. Okay, now what to do? I want to copy this entire thing, then Ctrl C, and I will paste it here, right? Again I want to draw the rectangle, but in this case I want to change the coordinates. Okay, now see, starting coordinates is I have to define. Okay, it is starting from here, this much only from years, it is here. So it will be 800 plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 to 818. 880 it will be. Okay, now y remains same because it is on the same position. Now what to do? After that it will be completed. It will be completed in 1120. So here y will be 1120 and our y1 will be, it will be remain same. Okay, now press Ctrl S here and try to Okay, we have to change the file name. So this will be the file name will be the police. See, in this we will create the file name like police station.html. okay, but remember we have to type here name, but if we haven't created that file, then you have to create it. Like, see, I am going to press F5 here. Now it is already done. Now if you move here, see, it will be appeared that in that particular location it will be appeared. Now what to do? We have to click on that, but see, your file could not be accessed because why it is happening? Because I didn't created that file. So what to do? I will create a new file and save it and type here the file name like polystation.html, and inside that type something like whatever you want to type, specific name, right? I want to copy it, paste it, and remove the unnecessary part. Like, I don't want this kind of stuff. I will use keep only paragraph tag, and this is the police station page. Okay, later on we will draw this. Inside this we will write it here. We will write here police station. Okay, now press Ctrl S. Now try to check it again in that browser. F5 it. Now click it. You can see police station pages appear. Okay students, so this way we can create the hyperlink on this. Now we are moving to on that central mall file. Okay, how to do this? So let's start it. Click here and go to the here. Again we will keep here Ctrl C and we'll paste here Ctrl V, right? Okay, now in this shape remains same. What to change here? Coordinates we have to change here. Now what will be the coordinate? It is like a diamond shape here, right? So you can take polygon also. For the polygon we have to keep 5 to 6 steps here. Okay, because we have to keep here everything in that, but don't worry, we'll keep here rectangle only. Now see, it is starting from where? So it is starting from 110. Keep we can say 110 is there, so we'll keep here 110. Okay, now y will be what? So y will be in between 300 and 400, so we have to count here from 1 2 3 4, and here it will be 5, so 350. So here we will keep here 350. Now till when it completed? So it completed about 400, not 500 but less than 480. So it will be 480. 480 will be there. Okay, and then okay, no, we have to count this one. So it will be 1 2 3 4, 440 will be there here, 440, and last will be here, it will be this where it ends. So it ends at 480. yes, it is now it here it will be 480. And then let's check it, F5. okay, now we can see in this part it is appearing now. Okay, so if you click on the central mall file will be appear. So how to design the central mall file? It is very simple. Now what to do? Press Ctrl C and Ctrl N, Ctrl V. Now change here name of the file central mall, and here this is the central mall page. Okay, now copy it, change the file name, give the file name as you given in the map. So instead of this we'll central mall.html. okay, Ctrl C and press Ctrl S, Ctrl V, and press enter. Okay, now see, let's see it is appearing or not. So press F5. Now click on the central mall. Yes, it is appeared, right? Now similarly we want to apply for the same fire brigade. So now students, you got the idea how to design this, right? Save it, press Ctrl C and press enter. See, we can draw different shapes also, like polygon also is there. Okay, but we will keep the same. Now open the paint. Now find out the position, starting position for this. So it will be about it is starting about the where we have to count x will be 120. Okay, so x will be 110, it will remain same 110. Now y, where is start from? Y, so y it is starting from the 580. Okay, so it is here 580. Now x, where it ends? It ends at about the 400. Okay, so it will be 400. Now y, where it ends? It is about 680 maybe, so here 680. Now when they click on this, here alternation tag will appear like police station. Here alternate tag will appear like Central Mall, and here it will appear, what was that, fire brigade. FRIBRIGAD. Okay, and then we'll keep the file name same here. Okay, now make the new file, HTML file. Sorry, we'll save it by this name only. Okay, what to type here? So we'll copy this, press it, and change the file name like fire brigade. Fire brigade. Okay, here. Now let's check it, press F5. Now it is appearing here, right? Now click on this. See, this is the fire brigade page, right? Now similarly we are going to use these, we are going to apply the link to this circle also. So how to do this? So we have to open it. In this circle 3 coordinates are there. Okay, in the circle we have to give 3 coordinates are there, x, y, and the radius. X means where it is start, like this is x. Okay, it is x here. It is, for example, you can see red dots, 901, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 960. It is starting from 960. Where it ends? So it is ending here about the 550. Okay, and we have to catch that from here to here, center. How much radius is there? So we have to find the radius starting from here 990, and it is ending to here. So we have to calculate the radius between these. Okay, so now let's do click on the use map, then copy this thing, Ctrl C, press Ctrl V. Now instead of the shape we have to change the shape name, and shape name will be circle. Okay, now in that there are only 3 coordinates are there. Okay, first one will be x, y, second will be y, and third will be the radius, means r. Okay, alternate tag will be, for example, we are going to declare chocolate here, and when they click on that particular file will open like one. I given 1 because already I have given the same name into my computer, that's why I changed name. Okay, now we'll copy the x coordinate from this image. So what is the x? So it is x like 900 and 1 2 3 4 5 950, right? So it is beginning from 950. Now y, where it ends? So it ends is final 1 2 3 4 and 5, 950 also, not 900 but 550. It will be 550. Now we have to count the radius. How to count the radius means, here it is, I think it is here 901 2 3 4 5. Okay, so use the calculator here, and where it ends here, it ends here like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 1180 minus where it's starting, we will minus the starting position. So it will be 900 1 2 3 4 5 6 960. So minus 960, so we can get the radius 220. Okay, so type here 220 instead of the I. Now press Ctrl S and move to here and press F5. Now you can see somewhere we have to give the half ratio, I think so. 110 will be there. Yes, it is here. Okay, starting from here till here, it is here. Okay, so this way you have to just find out the coordinates. Here I have to check the coordinates again. Got it? How to check the coordinates here? So this much thing we have to done. But when we click on this, remember, when we click on this, 950 is there, but we have to change, like we have to increase the y also here. Okay, we have to increase the x here. So x will be here something about the 950, right? Okay, now when you click on that specific file will be up here, but we haven't made it. Okay, so this way students, we can create the user map of the any image like this. Okay, this is the road about this. So I hope you understood this and all that stuffs, and all this new map tag is there. Inside that we have to type the name of map, and whatever name you give, you have to specify inside the use the hash sign with the name of the map. Inside that we can draw the rectangle, circle, polygon tool is also there. Okay, next time I will explain how to draw the polygon, because in that we have to specify 8 coordinates. Okay, 11 to 12, sorry, not 11 to 12 coordinates we have to find out. So in the next session I will explain with the how to draw it, and after this session I will explain you how to play the video or song mp3 songs on the HTML page. Till then, thank you and bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also share to your friends, because this is not only useful for the 10th standard, but those who are learning the HTML from any standard like 5, 6, 7, 8 standard or 11, 12, they are must know this, how to use the image map tag. Okay, till then, thank you and bye, and share it to your friends.